Are you confident that you have the right amount of insurance to protect your rig and your trucking business? Being underinsured exposes owners and operators to risks that can be avoided with sufficient insurance coverage. So let's review the major risks in more detail. Many business owners understand that there are mandatory minimum coverage limits typically mandated by either state or federal laws for commercial trucking. But it's also no surprise that these minimum coverage requirements are usually not adequate for many trucking operations. Proper coverage is vital to avoid potential legal issues such as high fines or license revocations. A big risk associated with being underinsured in commercial trucking insurance is that in the event of an accident, your company could be liable for far more money than it has available. So if you don't have enough coverage, you may be responsible for paying out of pocket for any damages or injuries caused by an accident involving one of your trucks. This could lead to significant financial losses. Even if your business does survive a major incident from being underinsured, you could miss out on future contracts due to reputational damage. Shippers don't want to take on unnecessary risks, and working with a trucking company that has a history of being underinsured is something they will avoid if at all possible. If you're an obviously underinsured business, you're a higher risk that many companies will likely avoid doing business with. You could also be missing out on potential work or contracts by being underinsured. Many shippers require minimum insurance, and if your insurance doesn't meet those requirements, you won't have a chance at winning any contracts from any of them. Obtaining proper trucking insurance isn't cheap, but having the right type and amount of coverage is an essential business expense. So while it may be tempting to choose the most inexpensive insurance policy to save in the short term, the risks and long-term costs quickly add up and can have devastating effects. Make sure you understand your business needs and appropriately value your assets. Working with an experienced insurance agent can help you determine the true value of your business and ensure that your coverage meets those needs. Not having enough coverage can lead to major financial losses and potential damage to your reputation as a reliable business owner. Be sure that you have adequate coverage so that if something were to happen, you know that you're protected. Drop any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time.